Hey Miller, I haven't seen you since this week.
Yeah.
You have time? I want to talk to you.
Now?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, sure. Yeah, come on in. Yeah.
Hey Miller, next week, are you available on Tuesday?
Next Tuesday. Yes.
Okay,
Yes, I am.
Tuesday morning,
Tuesday morning.
I want you to go and visit the customer with me.
Tuesday morning customer. Okay, which customer?
It's ABC Electronics.
I heard of it. It's a big company, right?
Yeah. I want you to show them SolidWorks, PCB, and more important, flow simulation.
Okay, okay, that's good. I mean, it's good to have demos for the customer.
Yeah,
I'd love to.
They have money. Don't worry. I know them all. CEO, CFO, CMO, CTO. I know all the C-level.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
My buddy play golf with the CEO every weekend. So Tuesday, huh?
Gonna be a
Okay, let
good
me text
demo.
him. Let me message him.
Okay, sure. Hey, pardon. Besides this, you got any other demo for me? I need to fulfill my demo request numbers,
Oh, how many more to do?
I need more, 2 more.
2 more. I fix schedule for you. 2 more. Huh?
Okay, nice.
Mr. Customer, Mr. CTO, let me introduce you to my engineer, Miller. He's going to show you SolidWorks and very powerful flow simulation.
Okay, so I'm gonna show my screen here.
Yeah, please.
Okay. Please. Wait, no. Sorry. I have to reboot it. The program is having some update and it's crashing. Just give me a minute. I'll be back with you, right?
Yeah, just
I'll be
a
right
few
back.
minutes.
Yeah,
Just a
sorry
minute.
for that. Okay, finally it's back. So
Yeah.
could I continue? I'll just show you what flow simulation that we have. Okay, so SolidWorks Flow Simulation is an intuitive computational fluid dynamics solution embedded with inside SolidWorks 3D CAD that enables you to quickly and easily simulate liquid and gas flow through and around your designs to calculate product performance and capabilities. So, which is the right package for you? I think there are many. So, SolidWorks Flow Simulation is a general parametric flow sim tool that uses the finite volume methods to calculate products performance through what-if studies, and that allows you to perform optimizations using the results. So, there's another like a HVAC module, dedicating heating, cooling, and ventilating tools for simulating HVAC systems and radiation phenomena. And there's another electronics cooling modules, dedicated thermal management study simulation tools for accurate thermal analysis of electronic printed circuit boards, and also enclosure designs. So if you want to compare these features or the details, I think I'm just going to give you a quick overview. So the SolidWorks Flow Sim is a very intuitive computational fluid dynamics solution embedded within SolidWorks 3D CAD that enables you to quickly and easily simulate liquid and gas flow through and around your designs to calculate product performance and capabilities. And it's a general parametric flow tool that uses the finite volume methods to calculate product performance through what-if and studies that allow you to perform optimizations using the results. And also we have this dedicated heating, cooling, ventilating tools for simulating HVAC system and radiation performance, blah blah blah. And dedicated thermal management study tools for accurate thermal analysis of electronic PCB, and enclosure designs. And flow sim is an intuitive computational fluid solution embedded within SolidWorks CAD that enables you to quickly and easily simulate liquid and gas flow through and around designs to calculate performance and capabilities. So flow sim is a general parametric flow sim that allows you to do finite volume methods to calculate products performance through what-if studies that allow you to perform optimizations using the result. Dedicating heating, cooling, and ventilating tools for simulating HVAC systems and radiation phenomena. Dedicated thermal management study simulation tools for accurate thermal analysis of electronics printed circuit board and enclosure designs. And is able to do quickly and easily simulate liquid and gas flow through and around designs to calculate product performance and capabilities with the dedicated heating, cooling, and ventilating tools for simulating HVAC system and radiation phenomena. It is also a general parametric flow simulation tool that allows the users to use finite volume methods to calculate product performance through what-if studies that allow you to perform optimizations using the results. And of course about the electronics, dedicating thermal management studies, simulations for accurate thermal analysis of electronic printed circuit board and enclosure designs. There's one customer saying that we support an interior separator to client. They issued order and they came back to us with some further information on the anti-icing system. So we're able to run a thermal and fluid flow analysis with SolidWorks Flow Sim within 24 hours to confirm that the product supply would work and that anti-icing would have knots or cold spots on the separator vane. The structure analysis. So there are frequently used.
Oh, hey, Miller, can you show the new features, Wellman? in SolidWorks?
Oh, Wellman. I haven't done flow, but okay. Yeah, Wellman. Okay, wait. Wellman here. Okay. So for Wellman, I would like to introduce this feature called Wellman Structures with all the sketches and all the design features in the library. And we have a customer that they do really great design for inertia separator to the client. They should order and they come back to us with further information. And finally, they add SolidWorks and SolidWorks Premium software. They have reduced the time and cost of design, simulation, and validating by bringing the process in-house, as well as improve the performance of the intake system. For example, they have this 7200 megawatts power station project simulator proved that the auto design increased 0.1 micron particulate filtering efficiencies for outburn hydrocarbons from 15% to 19% in addition to eliminating non-necessary delays and costs at this company, bringing simulation capabilities in-house.
Okay, Mila. Now we're gonna show PCB, right?
PCB. I haven't done my flow yet, but okay. Yeah, I just learned PCB and I'm not very fun, but okay. I'll try what I can do. I try my best. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. PCB. Let me load it up. So I'm gonna show you a demo of this PCB. Menu projects. If I click, you see, I'm clicking here. It's not showing up. It's not showing up. It's not. Wait. I got it. I got it.
Okay.
Import. Import files. Just a second.
One second.
Yeah. Okay. Sorry for that. I saw this before. I've done it before. I know. Okay. PCB. Okay. Here's the button and It's open. It's open now.
Yeah.
Okay. So why do we choose SolidWorks PCB? So SolidWorks PCB enables the productivities that you need to design printed circuit board. And quickly, along with the unique collaboration between electrical and 3D mechanical design teams, it offers a very clear advantage over ECAD and MCAD collaboration, and is really critical for this overall process for electronics product design. So there are a few features I'd like to highlight. The rigid flex design capability. It defines rigid flex regions, layers, stack thickness, enabling single board rigid flex PCB design. The rigid flex layer stack regions that can be also defined with the bed lines and the angles and validated with rotative folding and the component clearance checking capability. I'd also like to talk about the design and data management. You can manage your project, design files, and the documentations with SolidWorks PCB PDM connector. And the SolidWorks PDM-based design and data management workflow can help you securely store and index design data for fast retrieval and Okay, to eliminate concerns and over-conversion of the file data and data loss and the collaboration of data design from multiple locations. The ECAD MCAD design collaboration is also the thing I'd like to talk about. You can see unmatched ECAD MCAD integration and collaboration with SolidWorks that unifies design data and pushes changes to both sides of the design project. And also, PCB design engine is a good thing to have because you can see this industry-proven Altium-based design engine for layout and routing of printed circuit boards. The modern schematic entry is the next thing I want to talk about. So you can see the full feature Altium-based schematic capture tools with extensive drafting capabilities, libraries, and
Thank you, Mila. So, Mr. Customer, do you like the demo? You think you're going to buy SolidWorks flow simulation and PCB?